What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Virtual Speed Performance YouTube channel. Many of you have seen we do a little bit of fabrication on this channel, whether we like it or not. However, over the last, I would say, year, I've gotten a little bit better with it. If you guys remember, we had an old MIG welder when we were doing the 3rd gen Camaro, which if you haven't seen all those videos, they are on our YouTube channel. Around Christmas time, I was able to upgrade to a TIG welder. This is actually a Rebel EMP 215. It does TIG, MIG, and stick, which I don't think I'm ever going to use stick, but there is the option, as well as MIG. However, I really use this welder for more of the TIG feature. Because, well, you know, to build badass race cars and race car accessories, a lot of people will use the TIG portion. Majority of the race car stuff is TIG, but that's why I use it. As you can see, this is probably my first project that I've completed with it. Sorta my first project. Actually, we built a push bar mount on the back of the Solera there with this, welded it up. But this is the very first, I would say, real deal project that we did. This is a wheelie bar kit that you can buy on the virtualspeedperformance.com website. We completed this thing with the Rebel EMP 215, and the welds on it, I'm no professional. I'm self-taught, self-learning, learning as I go. They aren't bad. Like anybody, I could get better, but that's why I practice. But honestly, they came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this thing. Honestly, the Rebel 215, it does
110 and 220, right?
Yes. So there's like an adapter to make it from 220 to 110 to where you can plug it in with a regular wall outlet. The MIG portion of the deal has like a self-learning, so I guess it does some sort of
measures them. You put the measurements
into the measurement of the metal into the machine, and it kind of
it sets the parameters for you, if I remember right.
And makes it to where it makes it pretty easy to weld. You could also buy a foot pedal, which is for the TIG, which is what I use a lot, the foot pedal. But overall, it's a very nice piece. Like I said, you can make, or you can weld MIG, stick, or TIG. But overall, I'm very happy with it, and I definitely recommend to anybody that is looking to get into some race car fabrication.